pretty.
Pretty.
And she always use body fit shirts
Wow.
because she's pretty.
Yes.
Yes, no, not really. She also likes basketball. And yeah.
Saan o siya dyan, no?
Hasin lat na bed.
Lat.
Ako mag-ito.
Uy!
Adler go.
Oh!
Hindi na pangayon kasi.
Tingnan.
I thought I put one in my pocket when I left.
Ah, sa ako yun na.
Hindi ba naman siya pakis mo ko?
Uy!
Kailangan, kumpuli lang.
Salam.